friends, I am an ambulance. Let's learn the letter A. Ah says ah. Great job! Keep practicing!
Hi friends, I am a bike. Let's learn the letter B for bike.
B.
You say it B. Great job! B is for bike. Bye friends! Hi friends, I am a car. Let's learn the letter C for car. C says car, car, car. Now you try. Car.
Hi friends, I am a dog. Let's learn the letter D. The sound of D is da. D is for dog.
Hi friends, I am an egg. Let's learn the letter E. E is for egg. The letter E makes the sound eh. Hi friends, I am a flower. Let's learn the letter F. F is for flower. Hi friends, I am a gorilla. Let's learn the letter G. G is for gorilla.
Hi friends, I am a house. Let's learn the letter H.
H is for house. Hi friends, I am an igloo. Let's learn the letter I. Eeth. I is for igloo.
Hi friends, I am jelly. Let's learn the letter J.
J.
J is for jelly.
Hi friends, I am a key. Let's learn the letter K. K is for key. Hi friends, I am a ladder. Let's learn the letter L. L is for ladder. Hi friends, I am a mouse. Let's learn the letter M. M is for mouse. Hi friends, I am a net. Let's learn the letter N. N is for net. Hi friends, I am an orange. Let's learn the letter O. O is for orange. Hi friends, I am a parachute. Let's learn the letter P. P is for parachute.
Hi friends, I am a quilt. Let's learn the letter Q.
Q is for quilt. Hi friends, I am a rainbow. Let's learn the letter R. R is for rainbow. Hi friends, I am socks.
Let's learn the letter S. S is for socks.
Hi friends, I am a tent. Let's learn the letter T. T is for tent. Hi friends, I am an ugly duck. Let's learn the letter U. Hi friends, I am a volcano. Let's learn the letter V. V is for volcano.
Hi friends, I am a watch. Let's learn the letter W. W is for watch. Hi friends, I am a xylophone. Let's learn the letter X. X is for xylophone.
Hi friends, I am a yo-yo. Let's learn the letter Y. Y is for yo-yo. Hi friends, I am a zip. Let's learn the letter Z. Z is for zip.